this is Sanam Rizwan. Welcome to Sassy. Today I'm gonna show you 3 different easy eye makeover tutorials. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna show you a very easy blue halo eye makeover tutorial. First, I'm going to use this shade above my crease area. Now I'm going to use this shade to the inner and outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to apply concealer to the middle part of my eyelid. Now I'm going to set my concealer with the loose powder. Now I'm going to use this glittery shade to the middle part of my eyelid. Now I'm going to use this blue shade again to blend the inner and outer corner of my eye. Now I am going to apply this yellow shade to the inner corner of my eye. Now I will be using this shade to my lower lash line. Now I'll be applying this shade to my brow bone area. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. Now I'll be using kajal to my waterline area. Now I'll be applying mascara. Now I'm gonna show you a very easy smoky eyeshadow makeover tutorial. First, I'm going to apply this shade above my crease area. Now I'm going to apply this shade to my crease area. Now I'm going to use this shade to create a smoky eye look. Now I'm going to use this shade again to my lower lash line area. Now I'm going to use this shimmery shade to the inner corner of my eye as well as to my brow bone area. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. I'm going to apply mascara. Now I'm going to apply kajal to my waterline area. The last eye makeover tutorial that I am going to show you is the half cut crease. First, I am going to apply this shade above my crease area. Now I am going to apply this dark pink shade to my crease area. I am applying the same pink shade from the outer corner of my eye to the inner corner. Now I am going to apply concealer from the inner corner of my eye to the half of my eyelid. Now I am going to set my concealer with a loose powder. Now I am going to apply this shimmery shade to the half cut crease area. Now I am going to apply this pink shade to the outer corner of my eye as well as to my lower lash area. Now I am going to apply this shimmery shade to the inner corner of my eye as well as to my brow bone area. Now I am going to apply eyeliner. Now I am going to apply kajal to my waterline area. Now I am going to apply mascara. I hope you guys have enjoyed my eye makeover tutorials. If you loved the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sassy. Be sassy, be you.